Welcome to the Autoverse, your hub for in-depth and authentic automotive content. Today we are taking a look at a classic and iconic American sedan, the Ford Crown Victoria. Known for its storied history as a police interceptor and beloved in many car circles, the Crown Victoria remains a symbol of rugged durability and old-school charm. The Ford Crown Victoria, last produced in 2011, comes with a strong reputation for its dependable performance and simple yet effective engineering. Under the hood, the Crown Vic is powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine, which delivers around 239 horsepower and 281 lb-ft of torque. The power plant is mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission, emphasizing smooth shifts and a straightforward driving experience. While it was never a performance powerhouse, the engine provides enough power to handle highway cruising with ease, and it has long been praised for its reliability and ability to clock high mileage. In terms of looks, the Crown Victoria embodies the design cues of classic American sedans, with a boxy yet authoritative presence. Its long wheelbase and wide stance give it a commanding road presence, and the large wraparound headlights and simple grille emphasize a functional yet unmistakable aesthetic. Even though the exterior design may seem dated compared to today's sleek vehicles, it has a nostalgic charm that many enthusiasts still admire. Moving inside, the interior of the Ford Crown Victoria is spacious and designed with comfort in mind. The cabin features wide bench seats, generous legroom, and a straightforward dashboard layout. The materials used in the interior lean more toward functionality than luxury, with hard plastics and durable fabrics, which have proven their longevity over time. However, higher trims like the LX Sport offer a few upscale touches, such as leather seating and a premium sound system. The trunk space is enormous, providing more than enough room for luggage or gear, making it a practical choice for long road trips. As for pricing, because the Ford Crown Victoria is no longer in production, the cost varies significantly depending on the condition, mileage, and year. Well-maintained used models can range anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000, with special editions or low-mileage cars commanding higher prices in the market. Despite being an older model, the Crown Victoria remains a favorite among car enthusiasts, law enforcement agencies, and anyone looking for a tough, reliable sedan. Thanks for tuning in to the Autoverse. Stay connected for more classic car content, and keep exploring the fascinating world of automobiles with us.